In today's lesson, we're going to talk about two different types of angle relationships that exist in triangles. Now, this very first part that you'll see has an exploration, which we're actually going to skip over. So I want you to write for me really big here. Write the word skip, and we're going to jump right here to this part, the triangle sum theorem. And it says the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Remember that interior means inside. So this is really important, and you might want to go through, and I want you to highlight this box because this is going to be an important part. And you'll notice that there's a line, a blank here that we need to figure out. So it says for triangle ABC, the measurement of angle A, that's what that means, plus the measurement of angle B, plus the measurement of angle C equals blank degrees. Well, they've just told that to you up above. That equals 180 degrees. So there are three angles in a triangle, and those three angles are going to add up to 180 degrees. So based on that information, why don't you pause the video and see if you can figure out the missing angle measurements in problems 1 and 2. Okay, so hopefully you were able to figure out the solutions to problems 1 and 2. My work is shown here for you. I recommend you pause the video and make sure you understand that. Okay, so we're going to go to the next page. Now that we've talked about the interior angles of a triangle, now there is some information here about the exterior angle of a triangle. So what I want you to do is I want you to pause the video, and this information that I have circled, I want you to read over this information. So pause the video and do that now. Okay, now that you've read over this information, now we can come to this box where it says exterior angle theorem. It says the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two remote interior angles. So if we look at the diagram that is up above here, it says if we wanted to find the measurement of angle 1 and angle 2, so the measurement of angle 1 plus the measurement of angle 2 is going to equal the measurement of angle 4. So angle 4 would be that remote interior angle. So I'm going to write that here, measurement of angle 4. I also want you to highlight this box or shade it in because this is also important information. Okay, and then let's go to problem 3. It says to label the exterior angle and the remote interior angles for the diagram below. So angle 7 is clearly an exterior angle because it is outside of the triangle. And then the remote interior angles, the two remote interior angles. So 6, 5, and 8 are all interior angles. They're inside the triangle. The remote interior angles would be angles 5 and 8. So I'm going to write remote interior angles. And I'm going to point to those two, 5 and 8. 6 is just an interior angle, or you could call 6 and 7 adjacent angles, but that doesn't really help us in that. So based on that information about the exterior angle theorem, I want you to try problems 4 and 5 right now. So pause the video and see if you can find the missing angle measure. Okay, now that you've had a chance to try those problems, you'll need to pause the video so that you can check over your work. If you are not sure or do not understand how I got these solutions, then be sure to bring that to me or your teacher. You can also talk to us about that via email if necessary. Okay, once you've submitted this assignment, you'll be ready for your independent practice. Good luck.